For an organization to grow, individuals must enhance their skills and capabilities. However, constant busyness can make it hard to invest in personal development. Here are 3 common barriers. Number 1, I don't know what I want to do syndrome. Rapid technological changes can leave individuals feeling lost about their career path. Number 2, I don't have enough time syndrome. Focusing on daily tasks can result in the belief that earning money is more important than learning. Number 3, my current skills are enough syndrome. While confidence in existing skills is good, it can lead to complacency and resistance to change. Now here are our 3 inspirations to overcome these challenges. Conduct a personal SWOT. Assess your strengths and weaknesses to find areas for enhancement or improvement. Prioritize self-directed learning. Engage with interesting topics to spark motivation. Embrace continuous growth. Recognize that expertise knows no bounds. Seize opportunities for learning as they arise. If you have a clear goal, ask your organization for what supports are available. The desire to improve is a valuable opportunity for the organization to bring about positive change in the workplace. Also, please consult us to learn about our customized training programs.